Do you know the difference between replacement cost and actual cash value when it comes to your homeowner's insurance? Let's use this apple as an example. It costs me about $1 at the grocery store. And if I have a policy with replacement cost coverage and I lose my apple, my insurance company would give me $1 to buy a new one, minus my deductible, of course. But if I have an actual cash value policy because it's half eaten, it might only give me 50 cents. Now, it's not such a big difference when we're talking about apples, but it can make a huge difference when we're talking about a major loss. When it comes to homeowners insurance, make sure you understand your coverage so that you don't get hit with any nasty surprises. I'm Kathy Karr-Garcia with the Beaches Realty Group in the greater Jacksonville, Florida area. And if you're in need of a new policy, hey, reach out for a referral to one of our trusted insurance partners for help.